Hello, welcome to BAMZ Creators. Today we are going to share some creative ideas for Yellow Day celebration. The motive of celebrating this yellow color day is to make the children aware of yellow color and to develop fine motor skills in the students. Learning the colors is a milestone in early childhood and represents a child's cognition understanding. Children spend the day with the utmost enjoyment. Yellow color is the color of wisdom and intellectual energy that holds positivity in it. The shades of yellow stimulate our little ones with happiness, energy, joy, and optimism. A day dedicated to the yellow color is remarked with the children dressed in different hues and tints of yellow color. The motive of celebrating this yellow color day is to make the children aware of yellow color and its significance to the development of fine motor skills in the students. Yellow color represents wisdom, intellectual energy, and positivity to the students, and they feel proactive and refreshed with this color. As yellow color has many shades and it stimulates the energy of our little children with happiness, energy, joy, and optimism. A day that is dedicated to the yellow color is remarked with the children's dress, incentives, and different artworks they perform in the class with the teacher. The Yellow Day celebration enables the child to understand the difference of yellow color with other colors and enables them to learn the color and its shades. These are some activities that you can perform with the children in the classroom on the Colors Day. You can also paint their faces with the yellow color or the respective color that you are celebrating in the school with them so that they can recognize it while they are at home as well, and their parents will know that which color day you have celebrated with your child and how much efforts you have put into with them. For further informative videos, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Don't forget to like our video. See you in next video. Bye bye.